I am Giacomo Bergamini, CEO of H2TOW SRL, and we participated to H2TOW project for an hydrogen tow tractor in cooperation with our partners that are H2TOW, Bilbao Port, H2TOW Technologies for the fuel cell, AS, and of course Urban Mobility. Our tow tractor E405 is based on our electrical tractor, where we installed a fuel cell produced and developed by H2TOW Technologies.
I am Angelo Danzi, I'm the CEO of H2TOW Technologies. H2TOW Technologies in the project has developed the fuel cell engine. The fuel cell in this project is provide power, converting hydrogen and electricity to the track. We also developed a refueling station, a portable refueling station, low cost, in order to simplify the refueling and recharging the vehicle.
We are talking about 100% green technology. The charging of the hydrogen is faster and faster than traditional conventional electrical tractor and even lithium batteries too, all without losing of performance.
With this system, the vehicle is recharged in just 3 minutes. This allows the vehicle to work 24 hours a day without any stopping, something that is not possible with the conventional battery.
The autonomy of this tractor is around 3 or 4 hours, but of course it depends from the load that you have on the trailer, how you drive it, how you accelerate, brake, and if you have slopes.
I'm Luca Spaggiari and I work for the Energy Sustainable Agency here in Modena. We are the project coordinator of this project, which is the fourth we developed together with AT Urban Mobility. For us, the hydrogen is very important. We strongly believe in this energy vector for the development of the industry and economy. This project particularly is very important because we tested hydrogen in a closed environment, providing a supply of hydrogen and a vehicle that can use it. We had 2 demo testing, one in the port of Bilbao and the other one in H2TOW, the food market in Bologna. Both are very different environments and the vehicle perform greatly and the user find it very simple and natural to use. It joins the benefit of the electric vehicle, no emission, and the practicality of a fast refueling. With 3 minutes you can refill completely the tank. So you can use this vehicle for multiple shifts without need to stop for recharging.
Our tow tractor E405 can be used in several applications, from the port to logistic area, airport for cargo application, and finally for industrial and ceramics. We had the opportunity to show the tractor at the Inter-Airport trade show in Munich in October, and we have had a lot of interest on this project, and customers from all over the world, let me say, because from Canada, from Japan, from France, from Germany and from Italy too, that they came to see what we was developing, and they are really interested on that. For 2026, I really hope to be able to test again, to start production in small series of this kind of tractor, and to propose to my customer the retrofit of the existing electrical tractor.